guys, welcome back to another Shitz on the run, on the spot, Shitz on the spot food reviews. Alright, so today we're at Wendy's. They get that $5 deal where you get the Junior Bacon Cheeseburger, the deluxe one now. 4 nuggets, fries, and a soda for $5 fucking. That's pretty goddamn good, actually. Alright, so here's the meal. You got the nuggets right there, you got the fries right there, sweet and sour is the only sauce I fucking like here. And then here's what you came here for, the fucking burger. I mean, it's pretty fucking good. I've been here a couple times with it. And, yeah, there it is. I mean, for $5 fucking, you can't beat that shit. Alright, you want to hold that for a second while I just take a bite out of that? That's my assistant right there. Yes, I had an assistant. Because, you know, I got somebody goddamn YouTube's money now. Just like Samuel Jackson said, that is a tasty fucking burger. Alright, so this one might be short because I gotta eat it raw, but let me adjust this. It's good, it's warm, it's fresh. Comes with a Coke. Look at that. Even my assistant's eating well. That's my assistant, Gerard. It's a tasty burger. It's so tasty, I'm gonna put the phone down, stop recording, and eat my fucking meal. Alright, so, peace out. Smoke what you got, eat if you got it. Here's number 2 of Shitz on the spot food review, Wendy's $5 meal. Thank you, peace out.